Hey guys, this will be a quick and easy video about basic scene lighting in Blender. So there's basically two ways, which is using sky texture or environment texture with the help of HDRI. Right now my scene is dark because it's not yet having any scene lighting. So the first method is using sky texture, and by default it's using Nishita. And in my opinion it's the most realistic one. As we can see, it's looking pretty good, and we can rotate the sun, adjust the size or elevation and other stuff. The second method is by using environment texture, and we need the HDRI file as our light source. As we switch to it, our scene becomes pink as the common sign of missing texture in Blender. To make this pink lighting disappear, we need to load the HDRI file. But we need to get the HDRI first. There are some websites out there that offer free HDRI, and for this example we're gonna use Polyheaven. I like to use pure sky type, which is the sky only without surrounding planes or objects. And in download page you can choose the resolution of the HDRI, and please note that the higher the resolution, the sharper your sky look in background, but also the more it consumes your VRAM. Also, the resolution is not affecting the lighting, only affecting visual of the sky itself. I'll explain more of this later in the video with image comparison of the HDRI resolution. After we finish the download, we can go back to Blender now, and we're gonna input the image here in the environment texture and select the file. Now the scene have HDRI as the light source, but there is no rotate option like in Nishita sky before. To rotate the HDRI, we need to go to shader editor and change the shader type from object to world. Now to make things easier, make sure you already enable Node Wrangler add-on, and if you haven't, you can go to Blender Preferences, Add-ons and check the Node Wrangler. After we activate the add-on, now we select the image node and press Ctrl+T, and there's two nodes automatically appear. To rotate it, we just need to focus on the rotation in Z-axis and adjust it by changing its number. And that's it for setting up the HDRI in Blender scene. Now we talk about the HDRI resolution. These three images rendered with the same settings but only different in the resolution of HDRI. Left one is 1K, middle one is 4K and the right one is 16K. From general view, the only difference I notice is the visual of the skies. The 1K sky is look blurry, middle one looks okay, and the right one is the sharpest. As we zoom in, the blurry sky is getting more visible. But for the lighting itself, in my opinion, it looks completely the same. So if you are having a limited VRAM, maybe use the lower resolution one, and if the blurry sky is really visible, you can render it as transparent and change the sky later in post-production. But for me, I prefer to just render the sky without changing it later in post-production, so I choose the 4K resolution. I can still get the sharpness without overloading my GPU memory. And that's it for today's video. I hope this video helps, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.